Lie down on the mat comfortably on your back. Step by step, loose your body. Loose your head, loose your arms, loose your legs, hips, thigh muscles, breath, shoulders, mind, thoughts. The more you lose, the better you become. Give yourself powerful affirmations 3 times. I'm healthy, I'm happy. I am healthy, I am happy. I am healthy, I am happy. Keep on repeating these affirmations mentally so that it goes directly to your subconscious mind. Let your subconscious mind store this powerful affirmation. Every breath is making you relaxed and composed. Keep observing the state of your mind, the changes which is taking place in your body, in your mind. Be witness. Feel the silence atmosphere. Feel that the silence is your nature. Feel that you are happiness. You deserve more and more. Believe in your life energy, that this life energy is healing you strongly. Now slowly bring your attention to your breath. Observe your breath. Observe how your breath lifts your mood, how your breath makes you calm and composed. Believe you are more than you are thinking. Now bring your attention to your mind, which is carrying lot of thoughts. Now observe your thoughts one by one, making sure you are not judging your thoughts. You are not giving any meaning to your thoughts. You are here just to observe and witness. The thoughts are like clouds. As you watch the passing clouds come and go, in the same way, the thoughts come and go. They have no powers until you give them power. So, please don't judge any thought at all. The moment you started to observe your thoughts, you achieve a state of peacefulness, silence, enlightenment. Stay witness to this silence. Stay witness to the enlightenment. Please don't make any judgment. Be the observer. And feel that you are getting free of mind. You are achieving a state of no mind state where there is no thought around. You just achieve a state of thoughtlessness. And Buddha says, when a person achieves the state of thoughtlessness or no mind, he gets enlightenment. Stay observed. Also, observe your emotions. Similarly, just like your thoughts, observe your emotions. They will come, arise, and will settle down. Do not attach at all. And soon you will observe a great transformation inside you. You are separating from your mind. You are separating from your body. You are separating from your breath. It means you are more than your breath, body, and mind. Gita, Bible says, when you achieve such a state, you are soul. You are a soul which doesn't burn, which doesn't come to an end. It only changes its body. So all the fears which is surrounding you is started to go down. The fear of death is removing right now, and you are achieving a state of happiness, positivity, creativity, abundance. Lose yourselves to the maximum. This is purest form of silence, happiness. It is a real happiness that is inside you. It cannot be found in outside world because happiness is an inside job. Stay aware of his feeling. Stay aware of this wonderful feeling. Relax, relax, relax. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.